The YesCan portal is a new tool launched by Natural Resources Canada in 2024 that provides a number of capabilities. But the feature we'll be discussing today is the ability for manufacturers to submit their fenestration product shipment data to NRCan. As you're likely aware, under the 2023 Participation Agreement, manufacturers are required to provide product shipment data to NRCan, which is related to the import and sale of fenestration products, including windows, doors, sliding glass doors, and skylights. Manufacturers are tasked with providing data on the total number of products shipped, the total number of Energy Star products shipped, as well as the total number of Energy Star most efficient windows and sliding glass doors. To do so, you'll need to access the following URL using a browser. When you open this link, your browser will redirect to the Government of Canada GC-Key webpage while you enter your GC-Key credentials. It's important to understand that the Government of Canada uses GC-Key system for a number of Government of Canada services for both companies and private individuals. We highly recommend that you create a new GC-Key for your corporate submissions and do not use any existing GC-Key you've used in the past to access any other Government of Canada services. When you create the new GC-Key, we recommend that you also do so using your corporate email address rather than your personal email address. You're not permitted to share your GC-Key login credentials with anyone. It's a unique identifier for an individual. If your company requires multiple people to submit the data, they can create a separate GC-Key credential and all of the data will be aggregated for your company. If you're creating a new GC-Key credential, you will be prompted for a password and a secret question that you will use should you ever forget your password. You will also be given a list of keys which can also be used to recover your account. Once you've created your GC-Key credentials, you will be redirected back to the YesCan portal. In this example, the GC-Key credential has been already created, so we're going to simply log in. Only manufacturers may provide product shipment data, so please select manufacturer. If you've been invited to log in, your account may already have been created and registered beforehand, in which case you only need to verify your profile information. Then click Save. You will then be asked to select the program for which you would like to enroll. The portal is for both Energy Star and regulatory compliance. Since we're providing product shipment data to the Energy Star team, we'll need you to select your Energy Star Canada. When enrolling for Energy Star, you will be asked to upload your participation agreement. Once the participation agreement has been uploaded, you may then click Finish. Again, if you've been invited to log in, your account may already have been created and registered beforehand, so you may skip this step. Your account will then be pending while you wait to be approved by an Energy Star account manager who will verify your information. You're now logged into the portal. You may now verify your email address before you provide your shipment data. Your email address will likely be one of the ways your account manager will verify you and how they will notify you if you have a question. So you need to ensure that this is your correct email address. If you did not receive the registration email, please check your spam folder. If your email was not in your spam folder and you did not receive it, then it may be a case that you entered your email address incorrectly. Please log into the portal and verify your email address on your profile page by clicking on the top right icon next to your name and then select My Profile. If the email address is correct and you still do not receive the email, it may be that your organization may be filtering it out. Please check with your IT services group. Once you have verified your email address, the Energy Star account manager will verify your profile information and approve or deny your request. If denied, you will be notified by email as to why the program officer denied your request. Typically, there is an error in the profile information, which may then be corrected, at which point you may immediately reapply. If you have been approved, you will see the link to provide the fenestration shipment data. Click the Report Shipment Data button. In the first table, you will enter the total number of Energy Star and total Canadian unit shipments. You will enter the data for windows, hinged doors, sliding glass doors, and skylights. The total number of Canadian unit shipments includes the total for all products, which includes Energy Star Most Efficient, and those products that do not meet Energy Star standards. The Energy Star unit shipments include the total of all Energy Star certified products, including Energy Star Most Efficient windows and sliding glass doors. Finally, you will enter the number of Energy Star Most Efficient windows and sliding glass doors. Then click Submit. If you wish to change the shipment data numbers entered, you may do so, then click Submit again to register the change. As mentioned earlier, if multiple users for the same company provide the shipment data, the numbers will be aggregated. That means that one user may provide data for windows, another for doors, or you may have each region submit the data separately, and NRCan will sum the totals together. This is how you provide shipment data to NRCan. If you have any questions, please contact your Energy Star account manager.